Trimming a clip in iMovie or any video editing software is important for several reasons. Trimming allows you to remove unwanted or unnecessary portions of a clip, ensuring your video is concise and to the point. Trimming helps maintain the flow and pacing of your video. You can cut out pauses, awkward moments, or long-winded sections to keep your audience engaged. Trimming allows you to focus on the essential elements of your story or message, making it more compelling and easy to follow. Removing distractions or irrelevant content enhances your visual appeal of your video, making it more polished and professional. Trimming helps manage the overall length of your video, ensuring it fits within the desired time frame, which is crucial for online content or presentations. You can trim clips to emphasize key points, ensuring your audience doesn't miss critical information. If there are mistakes or errors in a clip, trimming allows you to remove them without reshooting the entire scene. Trimming clips in iMovie is a fundamental video editing technique that helps you create more engaging, concise, and visually appealing videos that effectively convey your message or story to your audience. If you wish to remove parts of a clip, tap the clip in the timeline. Then select the scissors icon if it is not already selected. Drag the yellow handles to trim the clip as needed. You can trim the start of the clip by dragging the yellow handle on the left, and trim the end of the clip by dragging the yellow handle on the right. Adding transitions in iMovie is important for several reasons. Transitions help create a smooth and visually cohesive flow between video clips. They prevent abrupt, jarring cuts, making your video look more polished and professional. Transitions can aid in storytelling by signaling changes in time, place, or perspective. They help the audience follow the narrative more easily. Creative transitions can add visual interest and flair to your video. They can reinforce the mood or theme of your content, making it more engaging. Some transitions, like fades or wipes, can be used to emphasize a particular moment or highlight a specific element in your video. Adding transitions in iMovie is a valuable technique to improve the overall quality, storytelling, and viewer engagement of your videos. They play a vital role in creating a seamless and polished viewing experience. When you add a clip or photo to the timeline on the iPad, iMovie will automatically insert a transition between clips and/or photos on your timeline. A transition in the world of video editing is like a bridge between one clip to the next. It's a way to smoothly move from one scene or shot to another in your video. To edit a transition, tap the transition icon. You can edit the length of the transition. You can also change the type of transition. None. Cuts from one clip to another with no effect. Theme uses custom effects from the movie theme you're using. Cross dissolve. One clip dissolves into another. Slide. One clip slides into another in the direction you pick. Choose left to right to left, bottom to top, or top to bottom by tapping on the slide icon. Wipe. A line wipes one clip into another in the direction you pick. Choose left to right to left, bottom to top, or top to bottom by tapping on the slide icon. Fade through black or fade through white. Choose a black or white fade from one clip to another. The icon representing the transition in your timeline changes to indicate the type of transition you selected. When you are done editing your video, tap Done. Tap on the title of the movie to change the title of your movie. Tap the Share button. Tap on Save Video to export your video to your iPad's photo library. Visit your iPad's photo library to confirm that your movie was properly exported. You've learned the basics of using Apple iMovie on your iPad. With these skills, you'll be well prepared to introduce iMovie to your students and guide them on their creative video editing project. Thank you for joining me today for this iMovie tutorial, and keep exploring the app.